How to change scenario in the Character AI app. If you are wondering on how to change the scenes and the scenarios in the Character AI app, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen, which are the recent chats. Now to change the scenario, tap onto one of the chats, just like this. And after tapping on it, you can see the chats just like this. And now to change the scenario, you can simply keep on tapping on the chat just like this. Then here you can find the edit option right here. Now tap on it. Now to edit it, simply remove the chat just like this, where you want to remove, just like this, and add a new chat just like this. Tap on to edit just right here, and now you can see the scenario has been edited. And that's it. This is how you can change the scenario in the Character AI app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.